my mom just came to my room and saw my full videos, and I really wanted to show her because I think she's gonna subscribe. I don't really know, but let's take a look again, okay? If y'all didn't see it. Okay, so I'm eating hot chocolate right now. See? Okay. Now what I want to show y'all is that finally been wanting something, but my mom doesn't get me things. She didn't got me it, but she says in 2 days she's gonna get me it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my turtles. If y'all don't know them, okay? There's some music right here. Music core right here. Okay. For your, can you like guess what it is? If you don't know, it's okay. Let me just show it right now. Close my door because I don't want to. Okay. Now. Okay. Now here is what I got. Slime. Okay. Open it up. Oh. We did it all the way. Crap. Look, star. Oh, yo, there's another thing. Oh, yeah. Another one. Look at it. It's so cute. And, oh, another one. Okay. Yo, that is crazy. I'm gonna play with it later. And, okay, tell me if y'all know the dance. So every time you touch a feeling, every time you kiss, spin around. Tell me if you know this song. I love that song so much. And for some reason, my room is a little bit messy. And the blank bracelet that I just got. Nice, cute. Stick this thing. And so, what do you got going on here? Oh, Elsa. Sitting on the couch. Oh my god, I'm sitting on the couch. Okay. So, I think this is the end of the video. Please subscribe and subscribe to my brother Isaac Stigman. Please.